Okay guys, what do you guys think about the Candyland? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Do you want to come again?
Yeah.
You come again? Candyland? Yes. So where are we now? So we're heading to a place called?
Candyland.
Candyland?
Candyland, mommy. Candyland.
Yes, yes. So we're at the right place. Where are we going?
To Candyland.
Yes. This is the Malaysia's biggest candy theme wonderland. Do you know that? It's the biggest one.
Candyland.
Candyland is
There's
a
a
candy
door.
house.
And go in there. And they all are like that.
It's like the macaroon. Cupcake. Oh yeah, we put the balls inside. Put the ball in here. Oh, get it. Come on, down here. Is it? One more time? Yeah, one more time. In and out. Okay, we're trying. Okay, wait first. Loading. Ready? Ah!
Together. Ready?
Oh, shot! Wow! Oh, nice! Take a picture of the teddy bear. Happy. Yeah, you can do it. Okay, look for your car, Maurice. Look for your car. Ours is a yellow car, I think. That's the yellow car. Oh, this one is the yellow car. This one. This our car.
Which one do you want? Okay, one.
You want the aeroplane? Where? Looking at it. Where? Who's gonna do it? You? So do you know how to do it?
Yeah, wait, hand first.
So you take this bag and put as much candy as you can. Alright? 妹妹后退，来，后退。Maurice, go first. Maurice, go first. Hi.
这样后面不用，后面还是后面。
拜拜。
猜反叫猜反叫